How to filter the video in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can filter your video in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. Open the YT Create application and you can see I have already opened up my video. Now if I wanted to change the filter of that video, you can see it's very simple and normal filter now. But if I wanted the blur, if I wanted the black and white, or if I want to use a different filter, so I can just tap right here on the filter and you can see this blur white and black and white options, and you can see the more lighter option. You can see different options from there, and you can change the filter of your video from there. So now just tap right here on the done button and this filter will be changed. So this is how you can easily change the filter on your video. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.